Hello everyone, Indro here, and today I'll show you how you can create a surreal, Inception-like landscape in Photoshop. We'll be using the perspective warp tool in Photoshop to transform our regular landscape into an Inception-style bending image. So I'll be using this image. I have downloaded it from unsplash.com. Let's load it up in Photoshop, and I'll show you in a new layer the line along which I want this image to bend. So let me create a new layer. I'll take a small brush, and I would like to bend this image along this line. So select your background layer and press Ctrl G or Command G on the keyboard to duplicate the layer just to be safe. Next, bring up your perspective warp tool, go to Edit, Perspective Warp. Perspective warp tool was primarily designed to correct the perspective bending of architectures and buildings, but we can leverage that tool over here to create that bending landscape style. If you want me to cover perspective warp tool in depth, please let me know in the comment section below. Just as we have selected the perspective warp tool, you can see that the cursor has transformed into a cage-like symbol. Make sure layout is selected and drag one grid. Drag another grid and try to snap them together. Just as you release your mouse, they'll snap in place. Next, hover over these anchor points and you will see that your cursor has changed into an arrow and a pin symbol. Drag it to approximately match the imaginary line that we have drawn earlier. Now with that done, you need to click this warp button, and Photoshop will calculate your image and make adjustments for the warp. I'll hit Ctrl or Command on the keyboard to zoom out so that I can easily drag the anchor points. And now drag these anchor points and you will see that the image is magically bending. Click the checkbox to confirm the changes, and let's hide our guideline. Now as we zoom in, you can see that there is a small irregularity over here in the sky. We can easily fix that. Let's select the background copy and hold Shift on the keyboard and select the background layer. Press Ctrl or Command E on the keyboard to merge these two layers. Bring up your lasso tool from here and mark the area. Then go to Edit, Fill, and select Content Overfill and click OK. And the region is fixed. Right click on the image and select Deselect. Now let's add a finishing touch by adding a small shadow along the line where the image bends. Let's create a new layer and bring up your pen tool. Create one anchor point at the bottom and a second anchor point along the line at the top of the image. If you think that the line is not aligned to the angle at which it bends, you can hold your Ctrl or Command key on the keyboard and drag these anchor points. Adjust them so that the line aligns with the angle at which it bends. Next, create more anchor points to make a closure of this path. I'll zoom in so that I can get a hold of this anchor point. And once the path closure is done, right-click on the path with the pen tool and select Make Selection. Add a feather radius of 0.5 pixels and click OK. Now click this new layer mask icon to create a layer mask on this layer. Make sure you're selecting the layer thumbnail. Click on your brush tool, turn the hardness to 0 and select Color Black. Increase your size to around 1000 pixels and add a soft black shadow along this line. We need to correct things up a bit over here because we cannot add a shadow around this sun area. Just select the layer mask and with the black color selected, softly brush away the shadow. Now if you feel this is too harsh, you can reduce the opacity. Now that looks good. So this is how you can quickly create an Inception style perspective bending image in Photoshop. It is that simple to do. Please let me know if you want to see more cool tips and tricks like this one. Do like, share and subscribe my video to support the channel. I hope you like this one. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay creative.